Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you, is boiled eggs good for weight loss? Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Eggs are a low-calorie food rich in protein and other nutrients. Eating eggs may support weight loss, especially if a person incorporates them into a calorie-controlled diet. Researchers suggest that egg boost metabolic activity and increase feeling of fullness. Eggs and weight loss. Eggs are a storehouse of nutrients. Eggs are a source of high-quality protein. Protein repair muscles, manages blood sugar levels, provide immunity and strength. Eggs have been tied to initiate weight loss. However, the yolk has been nutritionally linked with increasing cholesterol levels and triggering weight gain. Because of this very reason, people on high-intensity fitness regime consume eggs since yolk. Experts all over the world picked up the concept of the boiled egg diet and modified it to make weight loss plan that not only ensure healthy weight loss but regular supply of essential micronutrients as well. Eggs, when consumed for breakfast, have been known to induce satiety in people, keeping them feel full for long. Eggs are loaded with protein. If you are burning calories, there is nothing like eggs to replace the loss of fat with some lean muscles. These are thermogenic and help boost metabolism and burn calories. One of the study published in US National Library of Medicine, National Institute of Health studied 30 women with BMI of at least 25 kg M2. The participant aged between 25 and 16 years were made to have eggs for breakfast. It was found that during the pre-lunch period, participants had great feeling of satiety after the egg breakfast and consumed significantly less energy. Energy intake following the egg breakfast remained lower for the entire day as well as for the next 36 hours. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.